Hello friends, today is 20th March 2025 and today daily law is the master's brain. There is a quote from V.S. Ramachandran who says, "We are now say with confidence that the brain is an extraordinarily plastic biological system that is in a state of dynamic equilibrium with the external world. Even its basic connections are being constantly updated in response to changing sensory demands." In this law, the author says something happens neurologically to the brain that is important for you to understand. When you start something new, a large number of neurons in the frontal cortex, the higher, more conscious command area of the brain, are recruited and become active, helping you in the learning process. The brain has to deal with a large amount of new information, and this would be stressful and overwhelming if only a limited part of the brain were used to handle it. The frontal cortex even spends in size in this initial phase as we focus hard on the task. But once something is repeated often enough, it becomes hardwired and automatic. And the neural pathways for this skill are delegated to other parts of the brain, further down to cortex. Those neurons in the frontal cortex has that we needed in the initial stages are now freed up to help in learning something else, and the area goes back to its normal size. In the end, the entire network of neurons is developed to remember this single task, which accounts for the fact that we can still ride a bicycle years after we first learned how to do it. So, if we were to take a look at the frontal cortex of those who have mastered something through repetition, it would be remarkably still and inactive as they perform the skill. All of their brain activity is occurring in areas that are lower down and require much less conscious control. Daily law: the more skills you learn, the richer the landscape of the brain. It's up to you. This law is taken from his book, Mastery Law Second. Submit to reality, the ideal apprenticeship. Thank you.